The goal of every young scientist, every young scholar, is to be able to conduct some little experiments, interpret and relate his results to other scholars, and use the results to solve little problems in his immediate environment. So here is my own little greenhouse, my own little lab, and I'm here trying out some little experiments. This is onion that I'm growing in water. You can see how long it is. This I planted September 10, 2025. And this is another one I am growing in the soil. See the same dates, but you can see this one is growing faster than this one. And this one took a longer time, but the result is that the both of them are green. So whether in water or in the soil, you could grow your greens. So if you don't have water, you will definitely have soil. And if you don't have soil, you will have water. This is also some scent leaves. I'm trying to let them develop some roots before putting them in the soil. And what are you planting? What are you planting out there? Don't just watch. Let's get our hands dirty and have some green leafy fun together. See you in our next one. Bye.